it just flushes in the middle of the night and there's nobody in there. Inside our toilets, we have these rubber doohickeys. And when they get worn out, water starts to leak and those son of a guns will start flushing on their own. This is a bad doohickey compared to a good doohickey. The technical term is shank washer. This is the tank in the back, and that tank fills up with water, and then when we flush, it pushes the water down into the bowl so that it takes everything down. What'll happen is that the gaskets that are holding the water in, those things get damaged over time. Chemicals, minerals in the water, and then what'll happen is that the water begins to seep little by slowly from the tank into the bowl, and then in the middle of the night it flushes all by itself. The toilet fill valve regulates the water in the tank, lets it know when to stop, basically. I decided since the gasket was bad, I'd go ahead and replace the whole thing. But there's some challenges with this. First of all, let's talk about the location of your toilet. It's usually in a tiny little space. Let's watch that again in slow motion. The first order of business is to turn the water off. When you do that, after you get down to this valve without getting a concussion, I always like to have a bucket and a towel to catch any excess water that may come out of the tank. When the toilet doesn't get any more water, the tank empties out. Then we want to replace our flush valve, or our fill valve right here. Make sure that you have handled all of your anger issues before you start doing plumbing, or you're going to tear some shit up. See how much fun this is? So the hardest thing has been getting this off. They make it look so easy in the video. Once you unscrew it from the bottom, you can literally just pull the thing straight up. So now you can see I've got it down in there. I've got it in there pretty tight. And then down here, underneath, I've got it all tightened up as well. I just want to encourage you, if you've never done something like this before, give it a shot. The worst that could happen is that you wouldn't have use of this toilet for a minute. You'd have to have another one. Now, if you've only got one toilet in your house, make sure you're on good terms with your neighbors. If you like the video, like us, subscribe to us, listen to us on our Fix It 101 podcast. Thanks so much for watching.